Hi everyone, Richard here. Currently I'm out at the Putrajaya Wetlands Park here to test out this baby. This is the Sony A7R3 with the manual lens, which is the Laowa 100mm f2.8 macro lens. This is full frame, right? So I'm going to test it out and see how it looks like in this with this 2x macro lens on this A7R3. And we'll see what photos we can get. So I also have with me the Fujifilm X-H2 with the 7artisans 60mm f2.8 macro lens. This is also manual macro lens. So I'm going to test this out together with the 40 megapixel and versus the Sony 42 megapixel full frame APS-C. Let's see how the pictures come out. So we look for some bugs to take picture of. As usual, when I'm filming something and someone will decide to do some renovation, even in the park, and I'm so far away from everyone. So let's try to get some bugs and see what I can get. Hopefully I can get two pictures, same subject before they fly away, because it's going to be hard to shoot two types. Let's try with these ants first. And we'll do f14 on the Laowa, and let's move close. Hopefully I got it correct. And maybe it's too bright. Oh, it's just nice, but it's not in focus. This is not an ant. This is a ant mantis, right? So seems to be out of focus, and it's gone on further to the leaf. Let's try to do that. I'll bring the ISO down. It's a bit too high. 800. Let's try and see. And where's the ant mantis? Yeah, that's why I say they are very fast and they will just disappear. It's a nice subject, that ant mantis. Hopefully I can get hold of that. Oh, that's quite fast of him to come up to somewhere else. Yeah, okay. Need to get hold of it. And he's out somewhere. Yep. That's not sharp. Okay, we'll go in. I think you need to do f22, and I'll raise the ISO higher to compensate. Okay, at least one nice sharp shot. Let's go to 2 to 1. Yeah, he's staying there for long, so let's try to get hold of him. Okay, looks like I've got a nice shot. I shall switch it over to the Fuji so that I can get some comparison, but it won't be 1-to-1 because then again the ant mantis has moved, and I shall get the Fuji out. Okay, let's look at the photo. Yep, it's under because I'm at f22, right? So f22, I need to up the ISO, maybe to 500 ISO. Let's see how it does. Yo, it's here now. This guy is very active. It's going everywhere. It's another plant now, right? It's going up. Very active guy. Yep, let's see. Yep, he's looking at me now. Okay, hopefully I got some nice shots. Oh, it's under. Right. All under. This one looks nice. Yeah, it's far away, that's why. And my battery, I think, is running out, maybe. And let's bring up the ISO. No choice. Maybe ISO 800. You know, it was just blazingly hot just now, and then suddenly you can see no more sunlight, covered by the clouds, and it's going to rain. I was like sweating here, it's so hot. I think it was great that I can shoot without using such a high ISO, but suddenly it wants to rain, so I have to bump up my ISO, even with the flash. Can you imagine that? It's very dark here. So there are some spiders here. Hopefully I can get hold of one or two. At the same time, there's a lot of mosquitoes here, so while I'm taking picture of the spiders, a mosquito will just feed on me. Okay, so it's very dim here, so the focusing on the Sony is quite difficult, especially that 2 times, and that's the spider inside there, if you can see. So it's very dark for the EVF. Even if EVF is quite unable to see it clearly. Okay, that's it. I have to go. It's gonna rain. I gotta get to the car before it rains because both cameras are not mine. I have to return them, so I don't want to destroy both the cameras. Cause a bomb for me to replace. And hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice day. See you. Bye.